What's up, YouTube? Today we're in Springfield, Ohio at the Clark County Fairgrounds for their wonderful Reptile Expo. They do it quarterly. They got a ton of vendors here, as you can see. We're going to try to educate you guys a little bit more this time. As you guys know, I broke my ankle a couple weeks ago, so I'm walking around with a gimp leg. We got two other amazing creators with us, Minnie's Mythics and WforWillow. Be sure to go check out their links in the description below and watch their videos covering the same exact expo as this. As always, I appreciate you guys. Stay curious and always tell somebody you love them. We'll see you out there. You guys have a fantastic day.
So he's a little bit more, but
Buddy.
but he's also, ridiculous.
Yeah, this is about the side, about right in here.
Uh-huh.
Look at that periscope. What you doing, bud?
Asking free on him.
What you doing?
More Expo today. We hope you are happy.
No, I'm reptile only. Y'all check this bird out. It's pretty cool. We're just walking around. We've been doing getting everybody else's content done, not really concentrating on ours. But it's a pretty big expo. We still in like 3 hours. We're all just out here making contact. Willow's checking the birds out. Me checking the birds out. Check out this Asian box turtle.
He's retired breeder.
Yeah, so definitely some cool stuff. We got some clips coming. We got a full-length video on 3 channels coming, so make sure you guys go follow everybody. And we're going to keep walking around and keep doing our thing.
Coloring. So this one, for instance, fires up completely red.
Okay.
So she's a lot more expensive because it's completely full coverage when she fires up.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, she's one of our nicest ones.
Hi. What are you doing? There we go. There it is. All right. I think you got some good ones. Yeah. Yeah.
Boa. Got a couple boas, some ball pythons, some sand boas. Neat little booth right here. Neat little booth. All right, guys. We are finally headed out of here. We are exhausted. My foot is absolutely killing me. The amount of vendors out here is absolutely crazy. I mean, there was 70 plus easily. So I want to give a huge shout out to all the vendors that let us do an interview and anything like that. We really appreciated it. We're going to try to hit the next one in a few months or so, I'm thinking. WforWillow had some fun. Make sure you go check out her panel. We got Mimi's Mystics back at the back. And we're going to see you guys in the next video. We appreciate you as always. Stay curious and tell somebody you love them.